This is Santesh Kallada, and today in this video I'll show you how you can use N8N to transcribe videos and make timestamps. So it's a very simple automation but very effective as well. First of all, let me just quickly show you what would be the input and what would be the output. See, input would be a YouTube video link and output it would look something like this. This is how the output would look like. See, inside the video you will have the entire transcript as well as the timestamps. And please note that we are actually using the transcriptions provided by YouTube. See, whenever you upload a video to YouTube, YouTube automatically create transcripts. But it is not fully accurate. I would say maybe 85 to 90% accurate. That's the fastest one. Of course, there are other methods. That is, other methods would include downloading that YouTube video, extracting the audio, then if it is a long video, splitting it and sending it into OpenAI, maybe using the Whisper API and converting it. But of course, that would be like 99% effective, but this would be kind of like around 85 to 90% accurate. But I guess for most of our users, this would be more than enough. And if you are worried about the grammatical errors, after this node, what you can do is you can add another OpenAI node and ask ChatGPT or OpenAI to correct all the grammatical errors. But I would say this is the fastest method. I have tested the other method as well. But the other method, it takes time. That is the main difficulty. For example, if it is a 1 hour video and all, it takes time. And especially since we are using N8N, if it is a large file, it might crash N8N as well. So this is what I found to be the most effective. So as I said, the input would be a YouTube video link and output would look like this. It will contain a JSON item, and inside the JSON item there is a sub item called transcript as well as the timestamps. So the first entry for this would be a form node. See, this is the form node. So just click that and it's a trigger. Add this event. And my form is a very simple one. See here, form title is video transcription. Form element YouTube video link, then text and same stuff. It is a required field. Let me just quickly show you how the form would look like. Okay, so I have actually pinned the data, and next we need to add an HTTP node. So for that HTTP, just add an HTTP node. And here what you need to do is, see, we will be using something known as Apify. Apify will have different scrappers, or in Apify, the scrappers are called as actors, which will help you to scrap different websites. See, most of the websites, when you're doing scrapping, it will block you. But Apify allows you to get over this blocking restrictions. So just go to Apify and search for YouTube transcript scraper. This is the scraper that I am personally using. Just create a free account. In the free account, there is a $5. Okay, they'll give you $5 every month for free. That is more than enough to transcript almost 1,000 videos. Go to Apify store and search for YouTube transcript. And you should be able to see this particular actor. Okay, Vistix YouTube, it is from Long Mammon. So this is the one I will be using. So just go to the scraper and go to API, click on API endpoints and copy this one. Okay, here the token is actually included, so you don't have to generate it. So I'll just copy this and paste it here. Okay. And here, as for headers and everything, I have disabled it. And here, please do not use this. If you are pasting that same URL which I have shown you, here make sure that authentication you select it as none. In my case, I am not sending the token in the URL for security purpose. So I am using generic credential type. But in your case, always use option none if you are using this particular URL. See, if you are using this URL, see, if you are using this URL, please do not use any kind of authentication because token is already included. Then as for here, click on send body. Body type should be JSON and specify body using JSON. Go here and here go to JSON. Copy this entire thing, okay, and paste it here. And here, this URL, you need to replace it with whatever is coming from your form. So I'll just add it there. So now that looks good. Next is the OpenAI node. See, for the OpenAI node, just search for OpenAI, click on messenger model and make sure that you add a credential. Okay, so just click on new credentials, and here they will give you the exact link. Log into your OpenAI account, go to this API key section. So just go to that API key section, and you will be able to create a key. Make sure that you have some sort of balance. I think you need to have at least $5 in balance for this to test this. So after that, create a key and you can paste that key here. That should be more than enough. In my case, I'm using something known as Open Router. It is something that will allow you to use different LLM models inside N8N. So this is the site. This is how it would look like. Open Router. So you can create a free account, then go to credits, recharge for a free account here. That should be more than enough. Recharge for a free account and generate a key here. Generate a key and paste it here. But if you're using Open Router, make sure that you make the base URL as this one. So anyway, that is it. And as for the prompt, like this is the prompt that I'm using. See, you can just take a screenshot of this and ask ChatGPT to convert it into text. Otherwise, the exact same workflow is available inside my community, school community. It's an entirely free community. You can join that community and you will get this for free inside the community. And here, as you can see, you will receive a YouTube video link and YouTube video transcript in JSON format. Transcript may contain timestamps and speaking indicator. So I've just given it very good instructions to remove all the unwanted stuff and give it in the exact same format we want. So with this, yeah, this is basically everything in this automation. So as the output, you will be getting the entire transcript as well as the timestamps. Now, if you want the timestamp to be generated in some other format, you can just modify it here. Okay, like modify whatever is, like here I have given it to give it a time marker, title and description. So if you are generating chapters for a YouTube video, you do not need all these things. So you can modify the prompt accordingly here. That is everything. I hope you guys like the video. If you like this video, please click on the like button as well as the subscribe button. That will give me a boost in the YouTube algorithms and that would encourage me to create more videos in future. Once again, thank you guys. Thank you for your time and I'll see you in future.